This is Arika Yadav. Welcome you all in RES News Channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news. Unit test starting from 22nd of July in Raj English School. Now some CBSE related news. The CBSE has recently released admit cards for the student of class 10 and 12 supplementary exam, which will begin on 15 July. Now some national news. Delhi courts extend Mumbai terror attack accused Tahir Rana's judicial custody till August 13. Supreme Court takes suo motu case on ED summon to lawyer for their legal opinion to client. Now some international news. Qantas confirmed personal data of over a million customers leaked in breach. Taiwan begins 10-day military drill to counter Chinese threat. Now some entertainment news. Alia Bhatt's former assistant arrested for alleged fraud of Rs 76 lakh. 100 years of Guru Dutt, Wahida Rehman or rumor of biopic on late legend. Now some sports news. Wimbledon 2025 Sabalenka downs Sigmund in a top seed Terve tie enters. Wimbledon 2025 unkindest cut-off all for Dimitrov Sinner through to last 8. Now some Scout and Guide news. The Singrauli District Association of Madhya Pradesh conducts CLAP Climate Leader Action Plan. Now some educational news. Harvard advises international students to avoid Boston Logan Airport amid heightened US border scrutiny report. IIM Kashipur signed MOU to introduce sustainability and clean energy programs. Now some other news. 9 killed after vehicle fall into river as bridge collapse in Gujarat. Air India jets fuel switches in focus as crash preliminary report news. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some of the school news. Unit test in Raj English School will commence from 22nd of July. Now some CBSE related news. The CBSE has released admit card for the supplementary exam for both class 10 and 12, which are scheduled to begin on July 15. Practical exams for supplementary exam will commence earlier than July 2. Now some national news. Delhi courts on Wednesday, July 9, extended the judicial custody of 26 by 11 Mumbai terror attack accused Tahir Hossain Rana till August 13. The Supreme Court has taken suo motu case of the summon issued by the Directorate of Enforcement (ED) to senior advocate for their legal advice to client. Now some international news. Australia's Qantas Airways said on Wednesday more than a million customers had their phone number, birth date or home address accessed in one of the country's biggest cyber breaches in a year. Taiwan on Wednesday 9 July 2025 launches annual military exercise intended to guard against Chinese threat to invade, including using so-called grey zone tactics developed by China that stop just short of open warfare. Now some entertainment news. Actor Alia Bhatt's former personal assistant Vedika Prakash Shetty has been arrested by the Mumbai police for alleged cheating the actress and embezzling money from her production company's account. On the 100th birthday anniversary of the late filmmaker actor Guru Dutt, Wahida Rehman, actor, talks to HT City, naming actor who she feels can star in this biopic. Now some sports news. Of late, a high-stake arena Sabalenka match has been synonymous with an emotional roller coaster. Monday on a center court could have been special for Grigor Dimitrov, watched on July on by legendary Roger Federer. Those short mechanics he closely mimics. He was up to set 6-3, 7-5 against world number 1 Jannik Sinner. Now some Scout and Guide news. The Singrauli District Association of Madhya Pradesh State Bharat Scout and Guide conducted CLAP Climate Leader Action Plan activity at St. Joseph Higher Secondary School on 6 July 2025. Now some educational news. Harvard official warned that US State Department personnel can review social media activity of student visa applicant and US Custom and Border Protection has the authority to inspect electronic devices at the border. The Indian Institute of Management IIM Kashipur has signed a memorandum of understanding MOU with Nagpur-based Manifold EV Academy (PVT) Limited to collaborate in the domains of clean energy program. Now some other news. 9 killed and several vehicles fell into the Mahisagar Mahi river after a section of Gambhira Mujpur bridge in Padra Taluka of Gujarat, Vadodara collapsed on Wednesday. The preliminary report into the deadly crash of an Air India jetliner in June is expected to be released by Friday. That's all for today. Thank you and stay connected with RES News Channel.